Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. If you haven't seen the last video, go and watch it. This is what I mean. Soccer field's over there. There's a basketball court just up over that way. This is crazy. So much water around. Now it's actually dry. As you can see, it's actually stopped raining for the last day. We've actually had some sunshine, but we've got some clouds out there. Hey guys, so we need to wash the driveway. I'll come show you, because we had a lot of rain lately. There's a lot of moss. It makes it very, very slippery. As you can see, all the moss in between the cracks. I've already started up here. As you can see, I'm hot, I'm sweaty, but we're gonna millimeter one. Yeah. I just realised it's not millimeters, it's degrees. Look at me, I'm sweating. You need to wear old clothes when you're in the driveway. Look at this. This is incredible. Look at the colour difference. This is why it's important to clean your driveway so you don't have slips and falls. Yeah, look at the difference. I know what you're saying, guys. I should be using a driveway cleaner. I've only got the nozzle. I should be using a driveway cleaner, but I'm not. But let's get it. All right, guys, we're done. But this is a Mac Pro petrol pressure. It's 3,100 psi. But we're all done. Have a look at the before and after. See you guys.